Hello guys, welcome once more to my YouTube channel. Here we're still going to talk about, we're still going to discuss about integration. And here we are going to solve a particular exercise under integration by partial fraction. Okay, as you can see, let us consider this exercise. The integral of, let us take x squared minus 2x plus 6 divided by x into x minus 2 bracket x minus 1 dx. Okay, consider this exercise. First of all, to start solving any equation in math, first of all analyze the equation. Okay, as you can see, we are going to first of all convert this part into partial fraction. We are going to convert this part into partial fraction before integrating our answer. Okay, integral of x squared minus 2x plus 6 divided by x into x minus 2 x minus 1. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let me just write this integration part. We are going to convert this part into partial fraction. First of all, to proceed, our a all over x plus b all over x minus 2 plus c all over x minus 1. Okay, we are going to find, as I'm going to say ACM, as people usually say. Okay, x into x minus 2 into x minus 1. This part, x into x minus 2 bracket x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. This will cancel this. We are going to obtain x in bracket x minus 2. Now, this is our result that we have obtained. We are going to multiply it by c. This implies what? Cx into x minus 2 plus this other part. Okay, let me just write the one down here. This part, x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. This divided by this. This will go with this. We are going to left with x into x minus 1. Okay. We are going to take our answer and multiply it by the b part. Implies bx into x minus 1. This other part divided by x. We know that x will cancel with x, so we are just going to left with a into x minus 2 into x minus 1. Don't forget the plus. Okay. This and this will cancel. We are going to left with x squared minus 3x plus 6 equals to this part, or this part, a into x minus 2 into x minus 1 plus bx into x minus 1 plus bx into x minus 2. Okay. At this level, let's see what we're going to do here. We are going to let our x. We are going to let our x be equals to 2. Why am I letting the x be equals to 2? For me to eliminate this part and this part. For me to eliminate the a and c in such a way that we can easily get b. Okay, as quickly. X 2 squared. If you substitute the 2 here, 2 squared equals to 4 minus 3 times 2 equals to 6 plus 6, which is equals to, if we substitute 2 here, 2 minus 2, 0, 0 times x minus 1, 0, all 2 will give 0. Now, if we substitute our x equals to 2 here, we are going to have 2b in bracket x 2 minus 1 will give 1 in bracket 1 plus, if I substitute x equals to 2 here, we are going to have 2 minus 2, which is 0, and all 2 will give 0. So we are just left with the b part. Implies 4 minus 6 plus 6. This part like that will give us 0. So we are just going to left with 4 equals to 2b. Now this will implies our b will be equals to 4 divided by 2 implies our b will be equals to 2. Okay, let us keep away. I've already obtained the b part. Now let us analyze the equation. What else can we let? Okay, we are going to let now x equals to 1. We are going to let our x now. We are going to let our x be equals to 1. Okay. Let me write it here. Let x equals to 1. Let us keep this our answer for them. Now let x equals to 1. If you substitute 1 here, 1 squared equals to 1 minus 3 times 1 equals to 3, which implies 3 plus 6, which is equals to. If you put 1 here, you will say that everything here will be 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0 and 0 times all this will give us 0. So we consider this part as 0. If you put 1 here, you will see give us 0. Now if you come and substitute 1 here, 1 minus 2 is, say something, c into 1 minus 2, which is equals to 1 minus 3 plus 6 equals to negative c. Okay. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. 1 minus 3 is negative 2 plus 6 equals to negative c. Negative 2 plus 6. Negative 2 plus 6 is equals to 4. Is equals to 4. Implies our c is equals to negative 4. Let us keep our answer for c. Now, here we are going to look, we are going to now look for the value of a. For the value of a, let me proceed here. Now, what else can we let here? If you let our x be equals to 0, if you let x be equals to 0, we are going to see that, okay, let me first of all substitute here. 0 squared is still 0, negative 3 times 0, 0. We are just going to left with 6. We are just going to left with 6 equals to, if we put 0 here, a into 0 minus 2 is negative 2. 0. Okay, let me write here 0 minus 2 and bracket 0 minus 1. Now, if I put 0 here, b times 0, see b times 0 is 0, so this part is already related. C times 0 is 0, so this other part is already related. See now, we are just playing with a, and the value that we need now is a. Implies 6 is equals to a into negative 2 times negative 1, which will imply 6 is equals to negative 2 times negative 1 is 2, implies 2a, which implies divide out by 2, we are going to have, we are going to get a as 3. Okay, now we are already having the value, of a, b, c, a, b, and c. Now we are going to now integrate our result. Let me first of all write it back here. Implies what? X squared minus 3x plus 8 all over x into x minus 2 divided by x minus 1, which will be equal to our EA is 3 all over x plus, what is our B? Our B is 2 all over x minus 2 plus, now our C is negative 4, so here will be negative 4 all over x minus 1. So it's our final answer for the partial fraction. Now we are going to integrate this part in the next video. We are going to integrate this part. So thank you for listening.